The king was astonished as well as pleased. Astonished means surprised. He is indeed very wise. He thought to himself, I need people like him to work for me. And the king appointed this humble shepherd the governor of a small district. Actually, the king was wondering and was full of joy to hear his words. He thought that the shepherd was actually very wise. The people like him, the people like shepherd, he needed for the need of the king. He must work for the king, and the king made him the governor of a small district. Now, although he rose to power and dignity, the shepherd remained as humble as ever. People loved and honored him for his wisdom, sympathy, and goodness. He was kind and just to one and all. His fame as a fair and wise governor soon spread throughout the country. So, in spite of all the power and dignity, the shepherd remained always humble, always polite, humble and modest. People liked him and were full of appreciation for his wisdom and kindness. So his behavior was just to everyone same. He became popular as a good and wise governor. Very, very fast, he became very famous among all the governors and throughout the country. He became famous because of his fairness, wiseness, okay, and his behavior, like he always used to very humble and modest to everyone. That is why he became famous very fast. Now the governors of other provinces grew terribly jealous of him and began to talk to the king against him. Means the governors of other states, provinces means here other states, developed jealousy for him. They became jealous of him. They started speaking against him to the king. They complained about him because they became jealous of him. They said he is very dishonest and keeps for himself part of the money that he collects as tax from the people. Why did he always carry with him? They added an iron chest. Now, what they told the king? They blamed him. They started calling him dishonest and blamed him for keeping part of the tax with him, which he brought from the public, from the people. Okay, there what they told, they even posed questions over him, his iron chest. He always with him an iron chest. So they questioned about the particular iron chest. Perhaps he carried in it the treasure that he had secretly collected. They told that the particular iron chest had a treasure inside it, which he collected from the people secretly. After all, they said, what they said? They said mockingly. Mockingly means making fun of someone. He was an ordinary shepherd and could behave no better. Okay, they made fun of him, calling him a common shepherd who was expected to behave in such a dishonest manner. Okay, because all of these those things they did because of the jealousy. They became jealous of his wiseness and his, because he became famous very fast. They all of them jealous of him. Now rest of the paragraph I will explain in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, students.